Next up is Nova Uribe.
Hi again, board. Today I'm here to speak on the importance of libraries. In case you haven't heard yet, they are amazing places to uncover worlds of knowledge you could never get in a one-size-fits-all curriculum. I haven't been able to go to the library as much this year because of bell-to-bell instruction, but I really enjoy being able to learn freely about whatever I want and entertain myself with countless fiction stories. My librarians, like Miss Cooper, have always been very helpful and kind, helping me find whatever I need. Mike Miles, as you probably know, is trying to take these resources away from the schools that just recently got them. Not only is it unfair, it's a huge waste of money and books. How do you expect reading test scores to go up when you're taking away books? This backwards logic makes you wonder why exactly Miles is removing libraries and librarians. If it's to save money, why remove an essential resource instead of reducing spending on things like, furniture for Hattie Mae White, $200,000 salaries, and third future schools? I've said it again, and I said it before, and I'll say it again. Stop removing libraries and remove Miles instead.
Thank you.